Let's try and calculate the NPV in Excel. We're given this question here where an investor receives cash flows of $1,000, $2,000, and $3,000 over 3 years. The discount rate is 10%. What is the net present value? So let's start off by filling in the blanks. So here let's put in the rate first, which is 10%. We're already given all the cash flows in a table, so let's just leave that there. And now we can use the NPV formula, which is fairly simple. Equals NPV, input the rate, and just highlight all of the cash flows from year 1 to year 3. Close your bracket, and let's change this to a general number. So we get $4,816. Now what does this value mean? It just basically means that we know all of these cash flows are at year 1, year 2, and year 3. This value represents what if we brought all of these all of this cash into year 0. How much cash would we have in hand considering the interest rate here, right? And so that basically is what the NPV is. It's our cash, it's our future cash flows being brought back into year 0 and how much those future cash flows are worth at the present time or at year 0. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.